Hi guys, this is Sir Jabi. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, how are you students? Masisimangat, siswa, siswi. Okay, partial fraction decomposition. Okay, let's start this one. But before we are going to solve, solve this one, I need to introduce to you first the formula. Actually, in partial fraction decomposition, we have so many formulas. But now, I will introduce to you first the first formula. Okay? We have formula n of x. If we have two linear factors on our denominator. Okay? Now, that is equal to a over ex plus b. So it should be ex plus b or plus b over cx plus d. What does it mean, Sir Jabi? This one is linear factor. This one is also a linear factor. We will use this formula if and only if the factors of our denominator is a linear factor. Okay? Okay, let's proceed to our example. Okay? This one. We have to determine the partial fraction decomposition of each of the following expression. Our given expression here, 17x minus 53 over x squared minus 2x minus 15. Now, to solve this one, Sir Jabi, always factor out the denominator. Again, always factor out the denominator. Okay? Our denominator here is x squared. We have, okay, oh, what happened next? We have x squared, right? We have x squared minus 2x minus 15. And we will determine if all factors are linear. Okay? The factor of this one, x minus 5, x plus 3. Okay? Now, this is our factor. We have two linear factors, so therefore, we can use this formula. Okay? This one, our numerator is our n of x. Okay? Now, let's write this one. 17x minus 53 over x minus 5, x plus 3. This one, a over x minus 5 plus b, x plus 3. Is it correct? Okay, that's correct. Now, this one, after this one, Sir Jabi, we need to eliminate this one. We need to make single equation. We need to make single equation. Therefore, we need to multiply the two factors both sides. Therefore, this is cancelled out, cancelled out. So, we have 17x minus 53. So, on the right side, cancel out x minus 5. So, we have a x plus 3. This one, b, cancel x plus 3. We have b, x minus 5. So, we now have a single equation. Therefore, we are going to find now the value of x. Okay? The value of x. Now, by looking the factors, we have two linear factors, right? X minus 5 and x plus 3. If we are going to equate these two factors, x minus 5 is equal to 0, the value of x is 5. X plus 3 is equal to 0, the value of x is negative 3. Therefore, we have two values of x, 5 and negative 3. We will use this one to find a and b. So, let's start with if x is equal to 5. So, substitute only 5 to the given equation. Okay? This one is very easy. So, 5 plus 3 plus b, 5 minus 5, so it will become 0. So, this one, 17 times 5 minus 53, that is 32, right? This one, 8a. So, divide 8, divide 8. The value of a is 4. If x is 5, What if, Sir Javi, if our x is negative 3? If x is negative 3, substitute negative 3. Okay? I hope you follow. Okay. A, negative 3 plus 3 plus B, then negative 3 minus 5. This one is cancelled out. We have negative 8B. This one, 17, negative 3 minus 53, that is negative 104. Divide negative 8, divide negative 8. The value of B is 13. Okay? The value of B is 13. So, we now have the value of A and B. Our A is 4. Our B is 13. So, we are going to substitute that value here to get the partial decomposition. Okay? Partial fraction decomposition. Okay? Our A is 4 over x minus 5 plus 13. Our B then x plus 3. Okay? X plus 3, x plus 3. Okay? This is our partial fraction decomposition. Okay? Decomposition. Okay? I hope you have learned something new about this topic. Sir Javi, shake.